Hi, today let's make tasty masala cashew at home in an air fryer. First you need to preheat the air fryer and then add the cashews and then roast it. Then add in some basic spices, like here I've added in chat masala, then I've added in some salt to taste, some Kashmiri chili powder, then I'm adding in some pepper powder and 1 drop of oil. The measurement and the ingredients are on the description, and how many minutes to keep in the air fryer, everything I've mentioned on the description as well. Now you need to mix the cashews really very well along with the masala. Now if you don't want to add this kind of masala, you can play around with whatever kind of masalas you want. You can add in peri peri masala, just salt and sugar. You can go ahead and make it. It's very simple to make, healthy as well. And once you marinate the cashews really very well, add it again to the air fryer, and that's it. Your tasty cashew masala cashew is ready to munch on. Now who doesn't like cashews? Everybody loves cashews. If you make this, trust me, and I can guarantee you will complete the entire bowl of this masala cashew. If you're traveling, if you want to give it to your kids, your homemade masala cashew is ready. You can store it in an airtight container and have it. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.